Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you are all fine. I am your maths teacher from Dar-e-Arqam school, Madinatul Hujjaj campus, Goda Mode. Students, today we are going to start our new concept, that is expanded form. What is an expanded form? In expanded form, we are showing the value of each digit in the number. Look at this number. It is 4-digit number 3, 5, 1, 8. It is a 4-digit number. Now we are going to expand this number to show the value of each digit. We are writing that number in expanded form. First we read the place value chart. The place value of 8 is 1s, the place value of 1 is 10s, the place value of 5 is 100 and the place value of 3 is 1000. So now we are going to start to write this number in expanded form. So first we start from 3 and the place value of 3 is 1000. So we write first 3 and in 1000 we have 30, that's why we write 30. One time 3 and 30, it comes 3000, and then we write the sign of plus. Next digit is 5 and the place value of 5 is 100. So first we write 5 and in 100 we have 20, that's why we write 20. It comes 500 and then we write the sign of plus. Next digit is 1 and the place value of 1 is tens. So first we write 1 and in tens we have 10, that's why we write 10 and it comes tens. Next digit is 8 and the place value of 8 is ones. In ones we write single digit, that's why we write here just 8. So it is expanded form of 3518. The expanded form of 3518 is equal to 3000 plus 500 plus 10 plus 8. Now we are going to start countdown page number 14 and our topic is expanded form. Question number 1. The question is, write the following numbers in expanded form. Part A, 6839. We are going to expand this number. It is a 4-digit number. The place value of 9 is 1s, the place value of 3 is 10s, the place value of 8 is 100, the place value of 6 is 1000. So we start from 6. The place value of 6 is 1000. So first we write 6 and in 1000 we have 30. We write 30. It comes 6000. Next digit is 8 and the place value of 8 is 100. We write first 8 and in 100 we have 20. We write 20 with 8. It comes 800. Next digit is 3 and the place value of 3 is tens. We write 3 and in tens we have 10, that's why we write 10. It comes 30 and the place value of 9 is ones. In ones we have single digit, that's why we write here 9. So what is the expanded form of 6839? The expanded form of 6839 is equal to 6000 plus 800 plus 30 plus 9. We start part B. In B part we have 2502. 2502. The place value of 2 is ones. The place value of 0 is tens. The place value of 5 is 100. The place value of 2 is 1000. So we start from 2. The place value of 2 is 1000. We write 2 and in 1000 we have 30. That's why we write 30. It comes 2000 and then we write the sign of plus. Next digit is 5 and the place value of 5 is 100. We write 5 one time and in 100 we have 20, so we write 20. It comes 500. Again we write the sign of plus. Next digit is 0 and the place value of this 0 is tens. In tens we have 2 digits, so that's why we write 20 and then again we write the sign of plus. Next digit is 2 and the place value of this 2 is ones. In ones we write single digits, so we write just 2. So it is the expanded form of 2502. 2000 plus 500 plus 0 plus 2. Now we start part C. In C part we have the question 3490. The place value of 0 is ones, the place value of 9 is tens, the place value of 4 is 100, the place value of 3 is 1000. So we start from 3. We write 3 and in 1000 we have 30. We write 30. then we write the sign of plus. Next digit is 4 and the place value of 4 is 100. We write 4 and in 100 we have 20. We write 20. Again we have the sign of plus. We write the sign of plus. Next digit is 9 and the place value of 9 is tens. So we write here 9. In tens we have 2 digits, so that's why we write here 0. Again we write the sign of plus and last digit is 0 and the place value of this 0 is ones, so that's why we write here plus 0. So the expanded form of 3490 is equal to 3000 plus 400 plus 90 plus 0. Now we are going to start countdown page number 15 and question number 2. Our question is, look at the following expanded form, then write the numbers. Look at the part A. 7000 plus 300 plus 10 plus 6. It is in expanded form. We are write their name. So first we draw the place value chart. The ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Now we start to solve it. First digit is 7000. First number is 7000. The place value of 7 is 1000. We write 7 in the column of 1000. Next digit is 300. Next number is 300. The place value of 3 is 100. So we write 3 in column of 100. Next number is 10. And the place value of 10 is tens. We write 1 under the tens. Next digit is 6. And the place value of 6 is ones. We write 6 under the ones. Now we start part B. In B part we have the question 8000 plus 30 plus 70 plus 2. It means the place value of 8 is 1000, the place value of the 30 is 100, the place value of 70 is tens, the place value of 2 is ones. We draw the first place value chart, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. The place value of 8 is 1000, that's why we write 8 under the 1000. This 30 place value is 100, so we write 10 under the 100, and the place value of 70 is tens, so we write 7 under the tens. The place value of 2 is ones, that's why we write here 2 under the ones. And in C part we have the question 3000 plus 600 plus 0 plus 3. Again the place value of 3 is 1000, the place value of 6 is 100, the place value of 20 is tens, the place value of 3 is ones. We make a place value chart first, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Because the place value of 3 is 1000, we write 3 under the 1000. The place value of 6 is 100, we write 6 under the 100. The place value of 20 show tens, so we write 0 under the tens. The place value of 3 is ones, we write 3 under the ones. Okay students, now note down your diary, and your diary is countdown page number 14, question number 1, part D, E, F, G, and countdown page number 15, question number 2, part D, E, F, G for homework. Thank you.